Hello everyone. In this video I will be showing you how to assemble the rectangle flag. So it's like a bow flag or a razor flag. Those are some different names that they go by. But this video is going to address the rectangle shape flag. So when you receive it, you're going to get some hardware. These are the poles that come together, as well as this topper flexible pole. So this pole you actually don't need for the rectangle flag. I'll show you here. This is the razor style flag, and this part is the part that flexes in the curved portion of the flag. So you can just disregard that, and then just need to put together these pieces. So the largest piece is the bottom, the medium pole inserts into that. If you have a shorter flag, you might only have two pieces. So you would only need to assemble the two poles. So it'd look like that basically. You wouldn't have this bottom pole on it. And then you'll also get the actual L-shaped pole that will insert into the top. But you can't insert that just yet. So here's our flag. And the top is going to have the black webbing. So we can insert the L pole into the top of the flag. First, just slides right in the end there. And then when you get it to the end, you want to kind of pinch this webbing and then continue to slide that pole all the way in, so it gets all the way into the end. We double up the material here so that the pole won't poke out of the hem. So you just need to work that in a little bit better. And then you can see here, actually insert that pole into the top of the other pocket, like so. So then we're just going to simply feed, try to be able to do this on camera so you can see it, but the bottom of the banner, just simply work that all the way down. And then once we get to the end here, you can just have to feel there. So that just inserted into that top pole like that. And then also in the kit, you're going to have a ball bungee. And that ball bungee, we're just going to simply insert it into the grommet on the bottom. So the ball is what holds it, stops it. And then on the bottom pole is an adjustable stopper. So that's going to slide up and down. So you simply, the hook, simply thread the ball bungee onto that hook, and then being that this is adjustable, you can put a little tension on the ball bungee and then tighten it up. So there. So now that banner is nice and tight on there, and should be good to go. Hopefully that helps, and good luck on your flag project.